Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to tear apart this here Daewoo DVD player. It weighs 7 pounds, 5.8 ounces. We're going to take this thing apart, see if we can get anything good out of it, and see what it pays. I don't think we'll get a whole lot, but never know. So we're going to get it out and get it apart and see what's there. So let's get it done. Once again, about everything I get here doesn't work. If it did work, I'd try to get rid of it or sell it, but this here wouldn't come on, so before I don't know nothing about them. I don't even know how to take them apart. So we'll take them apart and see what we can get out of it. Got a thunderstorm on the way. See if we can get this out and done before it gets here, or maybe it might miss us. Been having them on and off all day today. Hey, this was a fancy DVD at one time player, but it doesn't work anymore. And nice little board in this DVD player. Switch to my little one. I got the CD player there. apart later. We can hear a little bit of thunder there, can't we? Got some gold showing, so I'd say that would be a high peripheral card. This, of course, will be a low peripheral. Switch we'll get out and take apart. Some wire. Get this apart here. See what's hiding under that. These loads of screws out of here. Just an LED screen. We'll probably pull that flat pack off. That'll be just a low grade board. Same with that, there's not much on that. That's just another low grade. So I'll pull these ICs off, figure out how it comes off. We got some nuts down in there that we'll have to get off. Another sheet of metal, piece of junk plastic, some pieces of junk plastic. Get that off in a little bit. Gather up all the screws, of course. This type of thunder you can go to sleep with. Go to sleep it. Piece of aluminum sheet. Try to get this apart. See what all we got in here. Doesn't want to come out. There we go. Got a CD board. Nice little CD-ROM board. Don't see no brass though. We got a couple motors we'll get out. Looks like a speck of gold there. Small motor. Another small motor. We got this apart. Junk, plastic junk. I'm gonna go through and I'll clean these other boards up and get this off. And when we come back, we'll figure everything up and see what we got out of that DVD player. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Okay, scrapper people, we're back, and as you can see, the shred weighs 5 pounds, 1.1 ounces. A little bit of aluminum is 0.3 ounces. 0.4 ounces. Our motors weigh 2.1 ounces. 2.0 ounces. The IC chips weigh 0.2 ounces. The little piece of copper we got is 0.1 ounce. The brass is 0.3 ounces. The insulated copper wire is 3.7 ounces. The low grade boards are 9.7 ounces. The high peripheral board is 4.1 ounces. 4.2. And the CD board is 3.1 ounces. And that's everything out of that CD player. Like I said, it wasn't a whole lot, but it was something. It was neat to see what all was in it. Pretty nice CD board. I hope you liked the video. It went to 3.0, but we'll call it 3.1. It fluctuates. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thumbs up if you like it. And keep watching. Keep bringing them out. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.